What up YouTube, it's Obey again. Once again I'm back with another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how much YouTube paid me since I was monetized. A year after I was monetized, guys. So let me just I know majority of you are questioning Kucha, okay, why is he talking about YouTube earnings while the channel is about forex trading or trading in general? The reason for me showing you this, giving you this information, is because I want to be transparent, guys. Majority of you are asking, or some of you think we post videos to get money on YouTube. The reason for me having this YouTube channel is to document my journey, my trading journey, and earning money on it from it is a bonus, guys. So guys, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, comment below if you have any question regarding what I'm discussing in this video. And yeah, in order for you to get monetized, guys, there are certain requirements that you have to meet in order for you to apply for YouTube monetization. So now the very first thing that you must meet is have 1,000 subscribers. The second thing that we must have is make sure that you reach 4,000 watch hours, 4,000 public watch hours within a year. And once you meet that, YouTube will give you a notification on your YouTube studio, and later on they will send you a pin to verify your address where you are. They want to make sure that the person, the owner of the channel, is at a place or at the address where he or she is claiming to be. So make sure that when you are applying this, make sure that you put in the right address so that you can receive your PIN. So once you receive that PIN, there are 4 numbers or 5 numbers on that. Let me say, is it 4 or 5? Somewhere there, 5 or 6, somewhere there. If I'm not mistaken. So guys, and yeah, once you get the pin, you go to your YouTube AdSense, then you put in that pin. Once you put in that pin, it verifies that yes, you are from that certain country or that certain address. And then from there, you must make sure that you put in your bank details later on. They will put a certain amount of money on your bank account to make sure that the bank account is yours. And then yeah, let me just quickly go to the YouTube Studio dashboard, or to my YouTube Studio, so that I can show you the videos that the views that I got and the amount that I was paid from the month that I was monetized. It was actually a year. I was monetized in 2024, February 2024. So after the amount that I will be showing you is a full amount that I was paid within that year. So I don't get a lot of views. You will see it in my YouTube studio. So let me just quickly go to the website and then I will show you in details. As you can see, guys, we are on my YouTube channel, YouTube Studio, guys. Tangany effects, as you can see there, just to verify that yes, this one is actually my channel. This is my YouTube channel, guys. As you can see, I'm on the YouTube Studio now, and yeah, on my channel we got 126k views, guys. 126k views, and we got 8.6k watch hours, and we got 4.8 subscribers in 2024, guys. So my channel is just a year and few months. So yeah, Currently we have 4.7 subscribers. As you can see here, why the amount of subscribers differ is because we lost some of the subscribers. As you can see there, we lost, let me say, 100 and something subscribers in this YouTube, in this content creation. You will lose subscribers, guys. You lose subscribers. There are certain people that will be subscribed to your channel and later on they will end up unsubscribing, guys. Now, okay, let's go to the videos now. The top content in this period was our first video that we have, how to use Forex Factory calendar. Is a top performing video on this channel. We have 43k views, and our second top performing content in this period was a 7k, how to tell if the news will be positive or negative. We have 7k views. Second one, the third one was 4.9k views, how to use Fastball website. And the fourth one was understanding Fastball currency correlation. We got 3.5. And the fifth one was how to make money with Fastball AI signals. We got 3.1k views, guys. So yeah, now let's quickly go to the revenue. That is the reason why that's the reason why we are making this video, guys. So yeah, okay, we were monetized on February 11, 2024. That is where we went. That is the date that we were monetized, guys. On our first day of being monetized, we made $1, guys. February 12, 2024. That is the amount that we got now. And the highest amount we made, the highest paid money that we made in a day was on Friday, November 2024, 22, November 22, 2024. We made $2.87. That is the highest amount that we made in on this channel, guys, in a day. So now let's go to the monthly, the previous 6 months that we made. Okay, on August we made $11 US. September we made $11 US. October $10 US. November $11 US. December $11 US. And ongoing we made $2 US, guys. As you can see here, we are not making a lot of money, guys. We are not making a lot of money. And we made through watch page ads, short feeds ads. Yeah, now our highest earning video on this channel was how to use Forex Factory calendar. We made $93 US. And the second one was how to use Fastball website. We got $13 US. And the real reason why funding pips is cheap is at number 3. We made $12 US. Understanding Fastball currency correlation, we made $10 US. And make money with Fastball was the fifth one. We made $8 US now. Our current RPM is $2, guys. Our current RPM, for every 1k views we make $2. That is our RPM, guys. So yeah, so now let's go to the reason why we are making this video. How much money I've made in 2024 since I was monetized, guys. The whole amount, the whole total amount that I made. We made $218 US 87 cents, guys. Now put that money in Namibian dollars since I'm living in Namibia. So that amount will be 4,000. Let me quickly check again. 4,000. I'll put up a screenshot here. I'll put up a screenshot somewhere there on the screen to show you the amount in Namibian dollars. We made $4,043.84 Namibian dollars, guys. That is the amount that we made in a year, guys. In a year since I was monetized, guys. You can see that amount we roughly make 200 Namibian dollars or 250 Namibian dollars in a month. That money is not even enough to buy food, guys. It is not even enough to pay transport. Some of you are here saying we are making money, a lot of money on this content creation, but we are not making a lot of money. You can only make a lot of money if you are monetized, guys. If you are getting a lot of views. If you are getting a lot of views, you can make money. You can make more money on YouTube. You can even do this full time if you are getting a lot of views, guys, on your videos. Currently, I'm not getting a lot of views on my channel. As you can see, there are a lot of Forex content creators on YouTube. There are a lot, guys. There are a lot. The competition is too high, guys. So that's why you see I'm getting a few views, guys. So for those that are interested in joining our free Telegram group, I'll drop the link in the comment section. I'll also drop it in a video description, guys. This is just to show you that yes, we are not making a lot of money on this content creation, and we are only doing these videos because we want to teach, we want to give free information to people that need this kind of information. There are many people that are making courses about forex, guys, but majority of the information that is in those forex courses, guys, you can get them for free here on YouTube, guys. You can get them for free, guys. That's why I don't sell anything in the forex space. It is because I know majority of the information that is there, it is available for free. So yeah, I'm only doing this because I want to document my trading journey, guys. Yeah, guys, the only thing that you can do for me is just by hitting the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. And make sure you like the video, share the video, comment below, guys. Comment below. There are a lot of people that wants to create channels for the purpose of now making money. Now here is the reality that I'm showing you, that I've showed you in this video. So for the video to reach a lot of people that are interested in this kind of information, make sure that you share and like the video so that the YouTube can promote this video, guys. So guys, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.